Hello everyone, let us learn some basic of the Cisco Packet Tracer. Now, let us first assign the IP address to the router. Taking a PT router and taking a PC and connecting them with a console cable RS232 to console and taking a crossover cable fast Ethernet 0, fast Ethernet 0/0. Now going to the PC IP configuration, let us assign IP address to the PC first, that is 10.0.0.1, and the subnet mask is 255.0.0.0, and the default gateway should be the IP address which we are going to assign to the router, that is 10.10. Now let us go to the terminal. Okay, we are in the setup mode, so no, enter in the user mode. Let us go to the privilege mode. We are in the privilege mode. For assigning the IP address, we have to go to the global configuration mode, so configure terminal, and we have to go through the interface fast Ethernet 0/0. The link is down, so no shutdown. IP address 10.0.0.10 and the subnet mask. Let us see if the IP address is assigned or not. So IP interface brief. So we have assigned the IP address, that is 10.10. Now let us check by pinging it. Ping 10.0.0.10. We are able to ping with a success rate of 100%. So the assigning IP address is done. Now let us change the hostname of the router. For changing the hostname, let us go to the global configuration mode. Now hostname, and the hostname we can change to any hostname. That is, let us take for example Cisco. We can see that from router it has changed to Cisco. We are just changing the host name. We can change to another name, that is any other name. Cisco Packet been changed from Cisco to Packet. So that is how we are changing the host name. Now let us set up the banner. Exit. Here we cannot find any banner, so let us go to the global configuration mode. Enable, configure terminal, banner, MOTD here stands for message of the day. Let us type any message. Let us hello world, closing with the dollar symbol. Now we have set the banner. Let us check. Exit, and by pressing enter key we can see that the banner is already been set, that is hello world. Enable, configure terminal. After setting up the banner, we can set the history size. So for setting up the history size, we have to go to the privilege mode. So by typing exit, we are going to the privilege mode, and now in the privilege mode, terminal history size, and the size we can give any terminal history size between 20 to 256. So let us type 200. We have already set the terminal history size to 200. Now we can set the clock by now. So setting up the clock, let us check the clock first. So clock, we can see that the date is 1st March 1993 and the time is 04:32. Now for setting up the clock, in the privilege mode, clock set the time. Anytime we can give 10:30. Let us give 10:30 and 10 seconds, and the date we can give is 1st January 2000. We have already changed the set the clock. Let us check. So clock. Now first it was showing 0432, and now by setting up the clock we are changing the clock, that is 10:30:17, and we are also changing the date, that is from 1st March 1993 to 1st January 2000.